some detail on the mounting of the MIMO-3 antenna series. Here's one that I could say, I hope we can keep it simple and make it a little bit useful and real for most users. So if you look at the installation instructions that you get when you buy one of these, dare I say, awesome MIMO-3 antennas, and it doesn't matter which one, could be 3, 12, 3, 14, any of those models, 15, 17. There is a statement in the actual documentation, the installation documentation, that does refer to a 400 by 400 millimeter ground plane, metal ground plane, that's needed to get the best performance out of this antenna. Now, this is, I'd say, in contrast to what you see on the data sheet, which explicitly reads, ground plane independent MIMO-3 is designed with an internal ground plane, making the antenna suitable for implementation on all service types. So we just confirmed our understanding of this antenna with the manufacturer, and what we see in the data sheet, what you read in the data sheet, I just read out loud there, is what is relevant. So there will be an update on the installation instructions, and this that statement there will eventually be dropped. But for now, if you buy one of these antennas and you have a fiberglass roof on your caravan or any device that is non-metallic, don't worry, it is all perfectly fine. The data sheet calls it out, and that's the antenna by itself. This thing can be like hovering in free space, doesn't matter, it still works a treat, as it does anyway. So hopefully that just keeps it simple. Thanks for watching. I'll hopefully have more tips and tricks on the these antennas in the upcoming videos. Thanks for watching. See you again. Bye-bye.